Boost profits with Start Layer Feed production today. Are you considering starting your own layer feed manufacturing business? Layer feed, a specialized type of chicken feed made for egg-laying hens, is in high demand as a result of the growing poultry sector worldwide. We will explore what layer feed production requires, its various usages and applications, the production process, the advantages of entering this market, and the outlook for the marketplace in India and worldwide. What is layer feed production? Layer feed production involves the manufacturing of feed especially created to meet the nutritional requirements of egg-laying hens. This customized feed is made to offer important nutrients that support healthy egg manufacturing and total bird wellness. It commonly includes active ingredients such as grains, healthy protein resources, vitamins, and minerals, very carefully mixed to ensure optimum egg manufacturing. Uses and applications. Layer feed is largely utilized in the poultry sector to feed laying chickens. These hens are elevated for the single purpose of creating eggs, and their diet regimen plays a vital duty in the amount and high quality of eggs created. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing procedure for layer feed entails several steps, including component sourcing, grinding and mixing, pelletizing or creating into mash, and packaging. Each step requires cautious interest to quality assurance and adherence to dietary standards to produce a consistent and nutritious feed item. Cutting-edge machinery is commonly utilized to ensure precision in blending and pelletizing, resulting in a top-notch feed. Advantages of layer feed production. Going into the layer feed production organization supplies numerous benefits. First of all, it takes advantage of an expanding international demand for eggs and chicken items. As the populace continues to grow, so does the requirement for budget-friendly healthy protein sources like eggs. Furthermore, layer feed manufacturing can be a lucrative endeavor, especially when managed effectively. It enables diversification within the fowl sector and can complement existing farming procedures. India market outlook. In India, the fowl industry is experiencing considerable growth, and the need for layer feed is on the surge. Global market outlook. The international layer feed market is additionally on a higher trajectory. In conclusion, starting a layer feed manufacturing business is an appealing venture in today's fowl market. With the growing demand for eggs and poultry products, combined with the possibility for profitability and development, it offers a path to success for entrepreneurs in India and worldwide. We, at NPCS, endeavor to make business selection a simple and convenient step for any entrepreneur, startup. Our expert team, by capitalizing on its dexterity and decades-long experience in the field, has created a list of profitable ventures for entrepreneurs who wish to diversify or venture.